Hi vlog. Hi, welcome to this new video. Today is date 16th of February, kind of like the New Year's Eve China calendar. So tomorrow in Chinese calendar is New Year. So today is 除夕. That's what they call it in Chinese. So normally I never celebrate like Chinese New Year but for you guys, and also it's kind of like I'm getting out of my comfort zone, because normally I would never go anywhere without like a friend or another person with me. And this year I've been just like pushed to get out of that comfort zone. So currently the friends that I had before that used to hang out with me, they all went home. And so I'm not so good with finding new friends, as well as I moved outside of campus, so I don't interact with other international students. So we're kind of like alone. Yeah. But I have you guys, my new friends. So we're gonna go and kind of like see what's going on around. I'm planning to go to Lanzhou Old City Park. So it's like an Asian traditional vibe, and I really hope they have like something going on there today. I hope we catch up on some fireworks, or like some dance or traditional things. I don't know, but we are going. So right now it's currently close to 9 p.m. I want to get there at around 10 something, wait until midnight, and just kind of like see if we can see some fireworks, hopefully. And so yeah, that's kind of like the plan. I actually tried to look everywhere online if they had plans for today in that park. I couldn't see. I saw they posted something like some traditional things going on yesterday, but as for today, I haven't seen anything. So I guess we shall just go and see for ourselves, because yeah. And also like I really want to make this my final year here in Lanzhou special. So let's just capture moments and look back at them in the future, be like, oh. But normally, like for the past few years I've been here, I never celebrate this Chinese New Year. I don't go anywhere because I know right now traffic is definitely horrible, and it's also extremely hard to get a taxi. But yeah, for you guys, for me too, for us, we are going. So yeah, let me get ready. I'm just gonna do a little bit of mascara situation, and then lip balm, and yeah, we're good to go. See you in a bit. So that's pretty much it. I am not a makeup girl. When I try to like look a little bit cute, I just do my lashes, and then just that. That's pretty much it. Sometimes maybe I'll wear heavier lip gloss, red, but that's very rare. So this is pretty much all I do. And so yeah, so I'm gonna get dressed, and then we shall head out. Hi guys, so I'm waiting for the bus here. It's kind of taking some time. And I think change of plan because I think like the park is kind of far and I want to risk go to the Lanzhou bridge close to the Yellow River. I want to risk. I heard that this year there won't be fireworks. Last year there was big fireworks. I heard that there won't be any this year. But also I remember last time when I went for like kind of like a Chinese New Year thing in that old park, there was no big fireworks there. So most of things were closed. There was just like people having their personal fireworks. So I guess we're gonna try Yellow River. So we have arrived at the bridge. I don't know if it is promising or not. I don't know if there are fireworks here today. It seems a little bit silent, like not much people, but let's see. 끌리는 내 손 잡을래 나 자꾸 놓치지 않을게 Do you know what I say 전하고 싶은 내 맘 이제 말할게 wow, wow. Now you're gonna say wow, wow. 네가 보고 싶어 내게 전하고 싶어 이제 내가 널 다시 웃게 할 거야 기억해 I will be here for you So I asked the policeman, and apparently there won't be fireworks here today. So I'm heading to the park and see what happens there, because here nothing is happening. So let's go. I'm waiting for the bus here. I don't know if I can still get one because it's past their working time. If I can't, I'm just gonna go with subway. So we have arrived at the location. I decided to get myself a little snack. At least there's food here. So yeah, I don't know about fireworks, but we shall just walk around and see. It is so quiet. I don't know. Eesh. I'm gonna get going, guys. There's nothing going on here, and it's so cold, so I'm just gonna grab a taxi and head home. I'm really sorry you didn't get to see the fireworks and like the balloons, because I've seen videos like that. They release balloons and all of that, but at least we tried, right? So it's gonna be hard right now to get a taxi. I don't know how long I'll be waiting here for a taxi, but hi, so we're back home. Yeah. Complete fail. And I paid so much money on taxi because that place was like literally across the city, like very far. I've never paid that much on taxi. So yeah. I made myself a bit of hot water because I really was freezing outside there. So yeah. Stay tuned still. There's like some few traditional how to say performances upcoming the day after tomorrow, and I'm gonna try to go to that still within the Chinese New Year festivity thing. So I'll see you then, I guess. I haven't had much information about the event either. I don't know if it's a paid one or a free one, but the thing is like it's in a public place, so I don't know. I really don't know, but I guess I'm just gonna, again, like today, go and see for myself. And yeah, I'll see you then. For now, I'm gonna rest and warm myself up. Okay, see ya. Hi. Currently on today is Wednesday, and as I told you before, today there is some like performances, traditional performances going on in one park, and I'm gonna try to go and see that. Hopefully it's free, because if it's not, I don't think I will pay to go see. So we just pray it is free so that I can get some footage for you. If it is not, then I guess you're just gonna see me to groceries, because I'm also heading out to go to some few small groceries, just some small things here and there. And so I'm planning to first go to the performance. After the performance, I'm gonna head to the supermarket next to campus, because that's where I'm sure they have what I need. And then after that, head home. So let's get going. I know outfit is not it, but really this winter is making me feel so like lazy to even try to find some cute outfits, because yeah. Anyway, I'll see you. It's my seventh year here in Lanzhou, and I've never been here. So yeah, discovering new places. So this is where the performance is gonna take place. This is actually so tall. Wow. How comes I've never been here before? These are the performances that are supposed to take place here for the next 2-3 days. Yeah, they seem awesome. And I think it's for free because there was no place where you could get tickets. So, and the performance is supposed to be right here at the stairs. Bad news. Yeah, you have to pay to get in. I thought that right there with the stair was the actual entry. And apparently you have to pay. So I don't know now. What do I do? Do I pay or do I just let go and go home? I think that's where the performance is supposed to take place. So quiet, but the view from here is nice.
만날 수 있다면 이번엔 절대 놓지 않을게. 하지만 이 말마저도 바람에 흩어지겠지. 늦게 알게 된 사랑 이제는 추억 속에 남아.
So I decided to pay. It's actually not that expensive. As expensive as I thought. Since I came here, it took me quite some time to come here, so yeah, I got the tickets. Now let's watch the performances. I actually already saw like similar performances before. It was quite fun, so yeah.
相信吴江浦上，一座捕鱼郎。姑娘笑容似阳光，醉了天心中难忘，就在心微甜美的地方，就在远方开始的远方。
We just finished groceries and I am so heavy again. But I don't know, I feel like I missed the bus. So I'm gonna wait here for a few more minutes, and if there's no bus, I guess I just have to take a taxi. Hi, we finally made it home. I had to take a taxi. There was no bus. So yeah, finished the small groceries and everything. A little review about the performance. It was not bad, but it was not like amazing either. I've watched a previous performance like that before, and I think there was something about this one. I think it was about the lightning or just something that, you know, was just kind of making it feel like average, but still enjoyed. I think also something that I would say is that the place where they did the performance was outside, and right now it's winter, so I could see that people around me were also freezing like me. The performance took about 50 minutes. Yeah, 50 minutes. And yeah, all this time to outside freezing. The more you stay out, the more you feel the cold, so that's something. The performance was great, but not amazing either, but I still enjoyed like having my solo experiences, really getting out of my comfort zone. I would have never done things like this before. So I guess YouTube is also pushing me to do things that I am not used to. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed spending these few days like Chinese New Year thing with me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Okay. Please do subscribe. It means a lot to me. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, bye.